Gotcha. She told could game made them. Every minute when they on them tablet here. Alright, wanna come. Time to eat some food.
Rick, where's Sebastian?
I could boy did I play on the tablet. I want game made that in the making now.
Alright, me go for him.
Still not hear from Sean? I'm still not deal with you? You want me to talk to him for you?
I don't know if it'll make a difference. I'm still pretty vexed with me with everything what happened. I don't know if it do. Him don't even come look for him brother them. Maybe you can talk to him for me. I don't know if he will talk to you but him vex. Maybe try make Debbie talk to him but he won't even talk to she neither, so I don't know.
You apologize to him about the incident
Well,
or
I
not?
didn't apologize for it. I feel like him for see what wrong in the whole situation. That girl, I don't think that's a good girl for him, Rick.
Remember in Shireen? A long time I know that girl, you know, from the Maluku Pitney, so you can't really blame him. You probably just have more in common with her than me and you probably don't even know.
I guess I'll apologize. I really miss him. I want him to be in his brother's life so bad. I'll talk to him.
No worry, man. Everything will be alright. Just talk to him. Come here.
You wouldn't mind coming with me when we go look for him? I think he will listen to you more than me, you know? He respect you. What you say, Rick?
Alright, no problem.
Sebastian, stop spilling the food on the floor. What is wrong with you? Oh, God.
Me clean it up. Alright, we wanna go and watch some cartoon, alright?
I think we should cut down on the cartoon with them. Especially Sebastian. Him don't like listen to anything women say. Cause why so rude?
But say my baby in a Shireen. You have to stay with him. Come on.
Yeah, but look how him behave compared to Richard. Him so rude. I guess you always have to have one troublemaker pitney.
I'm alright, man. I'm just love ramp.
I'ma pause the movie for you, eh? Oh, you have me out there wait so long, eh, Sean? Wait for a day with me, so. Look from when me say that if you come look for me.
Sorry, Grandma. I've been kinda busy, you know how things stay.
Hey boy, how you call grandma? Me not tell you enough call me that. Home to you. Tensia. Call me Tensia.
Alright, sorry, Tensia. So, go on.
Oh, you not look for your father, eh? You know for live good, you know. Your father say you don't talk to him and you don't deal with him. You know for pick sides.
No big size, Grandma. Okay?
But I tell you how, because you know for call me grandmother, you still call me grandmother. Me look like a grandmother to you.
Sorry, I forget Tensia. Sorry, alright?
Oh, your father ex-wife this ever live with you. It's not basically insect or what you call incest. Me don't even know the name. That nasty. But if you with your father, girl, boy. Listen, boy, come look for your father with me, alright? Go and go get dressed or whatever. I'm forward.
Alright.
Make sure you don't bring that girl there with you, man. Tell you about one man nowadays. They a sheer girl. Look how much girl in Jamaica you a sheer girl. Nasty like your papa.
Renee? Me Anthony. Me I wonder if you have the rent for me. Today's supposed to give me the rent.
Come in. Anthony, I'm sorry, I don't have the rent. You see, my husband is supposed to give it to me, but no, I can't get no contact with him. He's supposed to go pick it up at Western Union. A film call me and wait on.
Alright, just make sure when you get it, you give it to me, alright?
Thank you so much, Anthony. You know, Roommatey is so nice. I love this place. It's so big and spacious. My cousin them come in the other day and I'm sitting here look really good too. You're really nice, Anthony. Thank you. No worry, man. When we get the money, may I give it to you.
Oh yeah, I forget to tell you, the new tenant are moving today. One youth. So yeah, I'm gonna make you meet him and reason and everything, alright?
Alright, Anthony. Thank you again for understanding my situation. Thank you very much.
Alright, no problem. May I come check you later for the money? Leroy, I'm trying to dress so you buy for me. It look a bit short.
So it's supposed to look Octavia. To your wife looks sexy. You see my girl, you know.
Ugh, every time I come in here, it smells stink.
Yo, mommy, what the hell you come bring a look freaking two-faced picnic in the house for?
Me a talk about. If I know something like the girl for years, and you look her, you're an infant killer.
Oh, so you know that way you look dirty, whoring mother would do with that young boy there.
You compare yourself to my mother. Keep her name out of your mouth.
No worry, man, look who you go and enjoy my leftovers, them way you sleep with.
The two are nasty. Me have a smoke.
So calm and get it for you treat me and mommy over the years. Push by you live now. Frigga you.
Karma, go reach you here, mama, watch, man. Watch what I done with you know. You know people, you know.
You really threaten me, daddy? You threaten me and my mother? That you say I do?
Yo, oh God, Marcia. You know, so the cook girl active and know she come back home, come take care of Pitney. Yeah, alright. Later. Good night, baby. Hopefully, your mother come.
Don't worry, Anthony. I will always pay my rent on time.
Alright, that's good for now. So all you have to do, I'm here your call, alright? There's a clothesline in my box, so anytime you wash your clothes, you can go hang them around this. So
Is it alright if I bring my washing machine?
if you want, well, they kind of run up the light bill, but it depends on you and Renee.
That's alright with me. Jakes, I hope me and you will get along real well. I'm great to be around.
I should keep the place nice and clean, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright, I'm gonna leave it 2 out now alone and go deal with some stuff. I hope we get along well and everything will work out good later.
Sir, can I borrow your boat?
Of course you can, beautiful girl. Later you want to come hang out with me in my house?
Alright, no problem.
Where you go? Hey, you go too far. Oh, the bum. A thief regular thief my boat. First dirty Sean come here come talk me in my face and now regular thief my boat. What kind of day this man? I'm never sell my shells them now.
Leroy, this dress is kinda tight. Can I wear something else, please?
Oh man, look more you wear. You look sexy and all that, nothing wrong with it. I'll make you some tea right there, so just drink that and relax yourself, alright?
Tea in a night? Why not just give me some weed or something?
Drink it.